afternoon guys, back again. Now I've travelled somewhere. Some of you guys might know where this is. So I've come up or round the M25 to meet Acres Lawn Care, and he is currently in the back garden working away, so I'm going to try and make him jump. He hasn't seen us.
Hey, fucking hell! Oh mate, you scared the hell out of me.
So I've arrived to meet Acres Lawn Care, and I was only meant to be moss brushing, and he's roped me into brush cutting now. So we're doing some garden clearance as well. We're going to get on the Ego brush cutter, and Alex is on the steel. We've both got Oregon blades. We're going to blast through this section and see what's underneath there.
It won't start.
Did you hear that? A stone or something? Yeah. I don't know what's under here.
I reckon that looks like a pile of rubbish to me, mate.
Yeah, like all that crap.
Look. Getting through it. So it's battling his way through.
I haven't done this in a long time, this brush cutting. It's you can plough through it with these blades, can't you?
Incredible, aren't they? Still got all this to go. Come on, Curtis, keep up, mate.
Have a go with that.
Oh, that's nice. Mate, that's like effortless.
Yeah.
Obviously slightly thicker, you've got to be careful,
Yeah.
but mate, that is lovely. Let's have a look at that. Yeah, that looks good, mate.
I would definitely do this one.
Yeah, go for it.
Do you want to go?
Yeah, I can do that, yeah.
How much batteries it got? 2 bars. So we've actually uncovered concrete slab and a bit of patio under here. So Alex is going to get his wire brush out and try and clean this up. I know I said get the wire brush on that. I didn't mean that wire brush.
Well, you said get the wire brush on it.
I meant that one. Do you want to go? Literally just that, and work it backwards and forwards, but work like that way, and then it will push all the shit down there, won't it?
I guess it's just one of those things, isn't it? So.
Sit, and then sort of give it a bit of downward pressure.
Right.
Yeah. Getting it well clean, that one, isn't it? So, Alex uncovered this patio. We've used the Terrazza MC Weedee Pro just to brush all the bulk off of this. Pressure wash this now. Rain will probably do a good job at cleaning it, the worst of it off. Bit of brush cutting up there. Opened up all that section. Chipped with the little Forest Master. Now we're going to take the brush up to the main bit of patio and try and give that a bit of a clean as well. A bit of a spruce up. Just need Alex to give me a lift up the steps because I'm not lifting that on my own. So I'm just going to change these brushes out. This is more of a finishing brush. It's not pulling the moss off, so we'll get one off. Quick release on here. Get your leg over. Pull up. Turn off. As easy as that. So we're all brushed now. Surface here isn't the best, it's soaking wet. If this was dry, it'd be amazing, but we haven't got enough time currently to get it all rinsed off. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Head over to Acres Lawn Care if you haven't already, check his stuff out, and we will see you in the next one.